What's up, people? Yeah, Anger's back. Okay, because let me talk about what we were talking about over the last couple of years. I know what I'm doing. All right, I'm not making any money doing it, but I know what I'm doing. I know what I'm saying is valid information, fantastic information that nobody can compete with. I don't give a shit what blog you're watching. Blog. Remember when blogs? We used to make fun of bloggers. That, oh, why don't you get yourself a real website? Blog. Now it's everywhere. Everybody's got a blog. Oh, this is what I think about the stock market. This is everything. I also want to throw out something to the Fly. Do you know the Fly? He's one of the only bloggers that I was reading, and I just enjoyed listening to him talk because he was fun and he was always angry, and I appreciate people like that because there's nothing really to be excited and happy about in this world, in this society, because everything fucking blows. But he's now become the contrary indicator, apparently. Everyone's saying that whatever the Fly says, you can fade the Fly now. Fade the Fly. Do you know that they're talking about you like that, Fly? I know you don't give a shit because you do what you got to do and you probably make tons of money. But here, let me tell you about the recommendations I gave you the last 10 days. I said my list was dwindling. There was really nothing left to trade. You just got to buy and hold. What was I talking about? What was I talking about? I said buy Baidu. I don't give a shit if you missed 80 points. Stock's going to 250. Bang, it's there. Okay, so you don't want to buy a $250 stock. How about a $400 stock? When Google hit 380, I said it's going to be at 420. Oh, wait, look, it's at 401 today. You got 18 points to go. Oh, then there was the little subtle picks. There was the Joy G. Nobody likes the stock, the Joy G. I don't know why. The company's been around for 200 years. They're making tons of money. The economy's turning back. Everyone's getting into the Joy G. Any day now, I said, it's going to break 25 and go right to 30. So what do? I'm sitting there trying to buy $25 calls. I don't want to pay 85 cents for it. I want to pay 75 cents for it. And then the stock started pulling in, and then I was gonna get hit. I was like, oh, let me get greedy, and I lowered my bid to 50 cents, and the next day it gapped up and run. And where are we today? Boom, ba-doom, bam, boom. High today, 30 on Joy G. I know what I'm doing. So then we had the JRCC and the PCX. I said, well, if everything's coming back, you got to get into some commodity stocks. Let's look at coal because those stocks have been decimated beyond belief. Let's get some PCX. If you want a cheap stock that's going to make some money, hey, how about some PCX at $4? Oh, wait a second. Let me see where PCX is right now. Never did buy that one. It's at $8.80, only 100% in your money. Oh, wait, then there was that other one that I'm always talking about, the dry ships, DRYS. Well, if the recession was a rumor and the global economies are booming now, you got to get back into the dry ships. Oh, you know what? We also learned a little bit more about dry ships. They have one employee. They're not a real shipping company. They're actually not a real company. They have no money. They're basically going out of business any day. You got to buy the stock. They're going out of business. Did you hear that? I think I heard that. Oh, on the Whisper page, there's a chance that you know what? The funny thing is I was going to short the FSLR about 2 minutes ago and just went up 6 points. I'm so glad I'm not trading anymore. It's been about 8 days. I've done about maybe 7 trades. And that's the way I'm going to be hanging out now. I'm just going to spew the information to you guys. You can just make all the money. Just do me a favor. Buy me a fucking bottle of vodka, something. Do something. Send some wheat to my house. Send me a present. Send my kids some birthday gifts. Something for Christmas. All I'm doing is handing out money now because there's no fucking way I'm pressing these buttons. No way. You know what? The Dow is going to 12,000 and NASDAQ is going to 2,500 before you even fucking say boo! Are you stupid? Nobody's making money. Every fund manager right now is scrambling to get into something. Oh, I better buy something. Anything that's up, you buy it. That's going higher. Buy high, sell higher. You know what? You can't sell. You can't trade the market. You got to just buy and hold. Buy and hold back. Yippee-ki-yo, buy and holds back. Until that day when you have the intraday reversal, you're like, oh, what'd I buy for? But you know what? We're not fucking going down. But I'm not doing shit. I was actually selling naked puts, hoping that I would put some stock. But you know what? I sold 22.5 puts on the Joy G, just praying, come on, pull back. I could buy some at 22.5. Stock's up 8 points. I was selling puts on the Qs at 29, just hoping for a little bit of pullback. We're at 35 now. 35 on the Qs. What do you think we're going? 43. What do you think the Dow's going? 10,000. Give me 9 days. We'll be at 10,000. I'm going to come and bite your heads off if you keep asking yourself, is this a bear market rally? What is this? I don't feel comfortable buying stocks at these levels. At these levels? You missed the bottom. Wake up. Wake up and feel the pain already. You missed it. Get the fuck into the market before you're looking at another 20,000 points. Oh, it's down 30,000. Maybe I should buy some stocks now. That's what it's going to take, right? When everything's going up, then you'll finally go back. Once you buy a mutual fund, shut the fuck up and leave me alone, all right?